Did you know? Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Honey's low water content and acidic pH create an inhospitable environment for bacteria and microorganisms. Did you know? Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. In botanical terms, bananas qualify as berries because they develop from a single ovary. On the other hand, strawberries, despite their name, are not true berries. They are considered aggregate fruits. Did you know? The Eiffel Tower can grow taller in the summer. Due to thermal expansion, materials expand when heated. The iron structure of the Eiffel Tower can expand and contract with temperature changes, causing the tower to grow and shrink by several inches. Did you know? Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Additionally, they have blue blood because it contains copper-based molecules, hemocyanin, instead of iron-based hemoglobin. Did you know? The Earth is not a perfect sphere. Earth is an oblate spheroid, meaning it is slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator due to its rotation. Did you know? A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. When these pink birds gather in a group, the term used to describe them is flamboyance. Did you know? Cows have best friends. Cows form close friendships and can become stressed when they are separated from their preferred companions. Did you know? The world's largest desert is Antarctica. Despite common perception, deserts are defined by low precipitation, not necessarily high temperatures. Antarctica is the driest and windiest continent on Earth. Did you know? The shortest war in history lasted 38 minutes. The Anglo-Zanzibar War, fought between the United Kingdom and the Sultanate of Zanzibar on August 27, 1896, holds the record for being the shortest war. Did you know? A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus has an extremely slow rotation on its axis, taking about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. However, its orbit around the Sun only takes about 225 Earth days. Did you know? The first video uploaded on YouTube was about elephants. Me at the Zoo is the title of the first video ever uploaded to YouTube. It features one of the co-founders discussing elephants at the San Diego Zoo. Did you know? A jiffy is an actual unit of time. It represents the time it takes for light to travel 1 centimeter in a vacuum, approximately 33.3564 picoseconds. Did you know? The world's largest living structure is the Great Barrier Reef, stretching over 2,300 kilometers, 1,430 miles. The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system, composed of thousands of individual reefs and islands. Did you know? The human brain generates about 20 watts of electrical power. While awake, the human brain produces an estimated 20 watts of electrical power, enough to power a dim light bulb. Did you know? The original Monopoly board game was circular. The first Monopoly game, patented in 1904 by Elizabeth Magie, had a circular board design. Did you know? The world's largest pizza was 1,261.65 square meters. The record-breaking pizza was made in Rome, Italy. In 2012, it required 2,000 kilograms of flour, 1,600 kilograms of tomatoes, 2,000 kilograms of mozzarella, and took 48 hours to bake. Did you know? A jiffy in computer science is the time it takes for one tick of the system timer. It is typically around 10 milliseconds. Did you know? Wombat poop is cube-shaped. Wombats have a unique digestive process that results in their feces being cube-shaped. This shape prevents the feces from rolling away and helps mark their territory. Did you know? The word almost is the longest English word, with all the letters in alphabetical order. In alphabetical order, almost comes before begins. Did you know? A blink lasts about 1/10 of a second. On average, a blink of the eye takes only about 100 to 150 milliseconds.